Governor for ending up with a very beautiful encouragement program for our Lasan. Now you can also see that we were able to build up with the province. Was able to put a beautiful place at the pero dyan ako, nag-listen ng best project. So, tingali mo yan, huli, payment symbolic na water sa plant, nag-Los Oriental, we actually soar high and grow under the leadership of our young, good governor, congratulations nila ka ng good. Rob Sagabaria, Vice Gov Frit, and the rest of the Sangguniang Bayan. No, Sangguniang Panlalawigan of the province. Hindi na ako nga malipayon ang taga 3rd district sa atong presensya. So ako rag yung i-promise nila that the work we promise to do, ato yung i-deliver. So rest assured that there will be more to expect in the 3rd district of the province of Negros.